the opening up revolves on 3 pillars. One, the test positivity rate in that particular district has to be less than 5% over 1 week. So 7-day average has to be less than 5%. That is the first thing. The second point is the vulnerable individuals, that is elderly, more than 60, more than 45 with comorbidities should be vaccinated tremendously, and their vaccination rate should reach up to 70%. This is the second point. And the third point is that community ownership for this whole program of COVID appropriate behavior as well as care should be taken up by the community in a big way. So this is what are the 3 ways how we will gradually open up. We have to remember that our vaccination is being ramped up, and by December we hope to have the whole country vaccinated. We are a country where only, if you look at data, there is Pfizer and Moderna being produced by USA. You have the Sputnik produced by Russia. You have the Covishield produced by UK and India. You have the Sinovac produced by China. You have Covaxin produced by India. So India is one of the 5 countries which is producing vaccines. If we were not producing vaccines, imagine where would we be? So there is no shortage of vaccines. The shortage is what you feel if you want to vaccinate the country within a month. So we are vaccinating the country. It is a large population. The total number of vaccinations done in this country is nearly equivalent to the total number done in the United States, the number of doses. And we have also a large population. Our population is 4 times the population of the United States of America. So we have to be very clear and have some patience. By the middle of the year or early part of July or in middle of July or early August, we will have more than enough doses to vaccinate up to 1 crore per day. And we should be able to cover up this if you're going from destination A to destination B, if you're traveling by car or by train, sometimes the speed is high, sometimes the speed is slow. So you ultimately want to reach the destination in a limited time. And that is what our purpose is, to cover the entire population by December, which we should be able to do. So you have to have patience. Why I'm saying patience is that the unlocking also has to be done very patiently, guided by the amount of vaccination that has been done for the vulnerable groups.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.